Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. In today's video, we're going to see the 268th flyover of the Nikola site in Coolidge, Arizona. Would like to start off by apologizing to everybody who's been looking for videos and not finding them. We have been very busy with our Toro business, and that takes precedent over the flyovers because that's what actually makes us money to pay our bills so that we have a home to live in and a mouthful of food. Otherwise, we would be starving homeless because we would not be making any money off of YouTube. That's how much YouTube pays. So with that being said, we're up to 47 cars and we're just keeping crazy busy. So we did get out there today. We tried to get out there on Monday, but the wind was just too strong. So we had to abort. We got all the way out there and we had gusts up to 30, 40 miles per hour, and that's just not safe to fly. So going to the construction site, the walls for the well site are complete. They just need to get some gates installed and then do whatever they're going to do in there. You can see some pipes going into the ground inside the well site, doing whatever it is that they do. I don't know if they're extracting water from there, more than likely, but that is their well site. In the employee parking area, all the cars have been moved out. The employees have had to park somewhere else because it looks like they're doing some work at the solar panels. What they're doing, I don't know. And I probably never will. So it looks like something's going on there where they had to keep all the cars out. It could have just been working on utilities underneath, or it could have been something with the solar panels. Just can't tell from what we were looking at. The AC units on the new phase is finally getting raised up onto the roof, and we got to catch some of that in action. So you will be able to see the cranes moving those very large AC units up onto the roof. About half the trucks on the north end are gone now, and there's still a pile of trucks by the battery storage area that is still growing. It looks like that's where the new trucks are going, and the older trucks have been moved out to different places. Where they're going, we don't know, but we saw an article from the U.S. News website that stated that Mike Loscheller said 258 trucks have been delivered. And I hope they're actually delivered to customers and not dealers, but we will have to wait till the earnings call to find that out. Because, hey, sitting at dealer lots is not good either. So hopefully they're getting sold. But we're just going to have to wait. Patience. Patience, my friends. Patience. We did see trucks being tested on the track. We saw trucks being charged and saw several FCEVs in the parking lot. Can't tell if these are the new ones, the Gammas that they're supposed to be building very soon, but they probably were the older ones. But we will find out that in the future because you know they're going to talk about that in their earnings report. Overall, we have seen lots of progress. It looks like the building is completely walled in, so things are looking good. We just need to see sales numbers, and that is what we're looking for. So we hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did like it, please hit that thumbs up button. If you haven't already subscribed, please do that now, because we will have more content, I promise. And you can follow us on Twitter at Bears Workshop. And thanks to all of our patrons. We appreciate your help. Now, let's go fly.